Hello, this is Cody Carlson doing my Module 1 introduction video for EDL 858. I'm from Eudora High School here in Kansas next to Lawrence. I graduated in 2009. I then went to Northwest Missouri State where I played football there and was a physical education major. Won a national championship in 2009 and in 2013. I've down in the corner is my fiance Kate. We're getting married in about a year now, and we have a corgi named Jax. My teaching career, I'm in my fourth year of teaching. My first 2 years were in Independence, Missouri, in the Kansas City area, where I taught middle school weightlifting, and then I coached high school football, middle school girls basketball, middle school track. Then I came out to Great Bend and I took a job here as the ISS supervisor, and I've been here the last 2 years, and I'm coaching high school football, basketball, and track. Reflection on Great Bend's data analysis. We use a lot of our MAP data and our MTSS data to put kids in interventions. Right now we're just doing reading and math interventions, but also we're working on attendance, referrals, and grades as data as well to find those interventions for those factors as well. Because of our large Hispanic population, we have a lot of students that do the KELPA testing to test their ELL, and then the district as a whole does a very good job of sending out surveys, whether it's to teachers or former students or students now, just to get data and input, and they use that pretty well. So we send surveys to our alumni after about 2 years out of college, out of high school. We ask and see if our programs and our classes prepared them to be successful in college. We also use career cruising to make sure our classes, especially our VOTEC classes, are meeting the needs and interests of our students. And our high school actually had a business luncheon, which brought in all the area businesses. There was like 50 of them that helped with this, and they talked about what they are looking for in employees. So our teachers and our students sat in that, and it was nice for them. There was a lot of good feedback from that of what is expected and what those employers are looking for from our local employers. Personal reflection myself, when I, just as a whole, whether it's coaching or teaching, I'm a huge fan of number crunching. I'm very analytical, and I just love dealing with that side of things. I like seeing numbers and comparing them and seeing growth or how we're doing. I think I was above average when I was teaching in the classroom. When I was doing weightlifting, I was constantly testing them, whether it was in their weights or their just testing abilities, and was able to use that data of improving my program as it was going on. Now that I'm in ISS, it's a little different. Kind of lack access to seeing a kid every day. But something really cool that our school is doing here soon of next year is this software. I can't remember the name of it right now, but the software's coming out for us that is going to combine all the data of a student. So it's a one-stop shop of their MAP data, their attendance, their grades. It's kind of like Skyward or whatever you'd use for attendance, but it's going to have their MAP data and their interventions and all these test scores more than just their grades. So you're going to be able to see a lot of stuff on a student, and I am very excited about that. For my plan of enhancement, since this is new, and I think this is going to be the future of school educational data, is this software and more like it. I need to become fluent in it so that I can be there for the rest of my future. I will be able to have the advanced knowledge of using that software. That's like my number one goal for next year and this summer. Also, there's ways I could ask questions and constantly learn from our veteran teachers, and our administration at Great Bend High School is awesome, and being able to look to them for advice and just see how they've used data. And hopefully through this class, I'm going to be able to find resources of having a variety of data. Like I know where to find our schools, but it would be nice to be able to compare ours to a neighboring town or the whole state or nationally or worldwide. Just being able to have resources where I can find data that will be more than just for Great Bend, so I can compare. These are my two standards. I have already said that I'm pretty interested in data, so I'm pretty excited for this class. Hope to learn a lot from all of you. Thank you. Have a good day.